Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf draw. A draw is a shot that starts slightly right of your target and then curves gently back to the left for a right-handed golfer. While a controlled draw can be powerful, an unwanted or excessive draw can cause you to miss fairways and greens. We'll focus on the fundamental adjustments needed to straighten out your ball flight and gain better control. An unwanted draw typically happens when your club face is slightly closed compared to your swing path at impact. Imagine your club traveling from inside the target line and then swinging outwards. This is an inside-out path. If your club face is also a bit closed during this motion, the ball will spin excessively from right to left. Sometimes, even a closed stance, where your feet and shoulders aim right, can contribute to this issue. The most effective way to fix an unwanted draw is to adjust your swing path and club face. Focus on creating a more neutral swing path, moving the club more directly towards the target. At impact, your club face should be square to your target line, not closed. Also, examine your grip. A grip that is too strong can cause the club face to close too easily. Aim for a flat lead wrist position throughout your swing. To ingrain these changes, try some effective drills. Place alignment sticks on the ground to guide a straighter swing path and ensure a square setup. A towel drill involves placing a rolled towel about 6 to 8 inches behind the ball, forcing you to avoid an overly inside-out path. Focus on finishing your swing with your hands low and left, promoting a more neutral club path. Consistent practice with these drills will help you achieve better control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.